Today we are discussing the interview questions and answers for Microsoft Power Platform Solution Architect PL-600. You can download the complete list of Microsoft-based questions from the link provided in the description. Our interview question based on PL-600 is: how do you approach designing Power BI reports for real-time or near real-time data streaming scenarios? And what options does Power BI offer for real-time data visualization? Your answer should be utilizing streaming datasets in Power BI, configuring data sources for real-time data streaming, and designing reports with streaming visualizations like line charts or gauges enables real-time data visualization. Power BI offers options for integrating with Azure services like Azure Stream Analytics or Azure Event Hubs for real-time data ingestion and processing. Our next interview question is: what are the key considerations for implementing role-based access control RBAC and data security in Power Platform solutions, especially in scenarios involving sensitive or regulated data? Your answer should be defining security roles and permissions based on user roles and responsibilities, implementing row-level security RLS for data filtering, and enforcing data loss prevention DLP policies ensures RBAC and data security in Power Platform solutions. Utilizing features like Azure AD integration, data encryption, and auditing enhances security and compliance with regulatory requirements. Our next interview question is: how do you approach designing Power Apps portals for multi-language and multi-region support, and what options does Power Apps offer for localization and globalization? Your answer should be designing portal pages with customizable content, leveraging language resources for localization, and utilizing portal themes and templates for multi-language support ensures effective localization and globalization in Power Apps portals. Power Apps offer options for dynamic content localization, multi-language site settings, and custom language selection controls for a localized user experience. Our next interview question is: can you discuss the options for extending Power BI reports with custom visuals developed using the Power BI Visuals SDK, and how would you approach developing and integrating custom visuals into Power BI reports? Your answer should be Power BI Visuals SDK allows for developing custom visuals using HTML, CSS, and TypeScript and integrating them into Power BI reports. Developing custom visuals involves defining visual properties, data mappings, and rendering logic and integrating them into Power BI reports using the custom visuals interface or Power BI desktop. Our next interview question is: how do you approach designing Power Automate flows for integrating with on-premises systems or legacy applications securely, especially in scenarios where direct cloud connectivity is restricted? Your answer should be utilizing on-premises data gateway for secure connectivity between cloud services and on-premises data sources, configuring data connections and credentials securely. and implementing encryption and access controls ensures secure integration with on-premises systems in Power Automate flows. Our next interview question is, what are the best practices for managing dependencies and version control in Power Platform solutions, especially in scenarios involving multiple developers or teams collaborating on projects? Your answer should be utilizing solutions packaging for managing solution components and dependencies, implementing version control with source control systems like Azure DevOps or GitHub, and establishing release management processes ensures effective dependency management and version control in Power Platform solutions. If you are preparing for any Microsoft based certifications, you can download the complete list of valid, tried and tested questions and answers from the link provided in the description below.